Good morning, dear students. A warm welcome to mathematics class. Hope all are fine. Today we are going to learn chapter 11 Money. Money is a medium of exchange. It is a way of payment made for the goods and services used. We use money to buy and sell goods. We express the Indian money in terms of rupees and paise. Rupees is denoted by the given symbol and paise is denoted by the alphabet P. Money has two parts. First one is coin and other one is currency. In our country, we have money in the form of coins like 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. We also have currency notes like 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees and 2000 rupees.
Next topic, expressing money. We express money in two forms. They are short form and long form. We express money in the form of short form and long form. Then, when we write in figures, it is known as short form. When we write the money in figures, it is known as short form. And when we write in words, it is known as long form. When we write it in words, it is known as long form. Consider one example here. Rupees 54 is given. It is written in words. So we can say that it is written in short form. Then here 54 rupees is written in words. Therefore, it is in long form. Once again, when we write the money in figures, it is known as short form like this, and when we write in words, it is known as long form. This is 54 rupees in words. When we writing in words, it is known as long form. Clear? In the short form, rupees and paisa is separated by a dot. Then the number on the left side of the dot denote rupees, and the number on the right side of the dot denote paisa. So this can be written as 72 rupees 50 paise. So rupees and paise is separated by a dot, and the number on the left side of the dot represent rupees and the number on the right side of the dot represent paise. Clear? Now children, look at this question. Write the following amounts in short form. Here long form is given, we have to write in short form. First one, 60 rupees 55 paise. We have to write in short form, that is 60 rupees. Then we have to put one dot and 55 paise. So this is the short form of this amount. Then second one, 99 rupees 20 paise. That is 99 rupees. 99 rupees. Then we have to put one dot and 20 paise. This is the short form. Then third question, 35 rupees 25 paise. This is 35 rupees. 35 rupees. Then one dot and 25 paise. Then last one, 56 rupees 75 paise. 56 rupees. Then put one dot and 75 paise. So this is the short form of the given amount. The next question. Write the following amounts in long form. A short form is given, we have to write in long form. First one, rupees 23 50 paisa. This 23 rupees 50 paisa we have to write in long form. That is 23 rupees 50 paisa. This is the long form. The second one, 94 rupees. That is 94 rupees. Here there is no paisa, so no need to write here paisa. See, 102 rupees 85 paise. That is 102 rupees 85 paise. Or we can written as like this: 102 rupees 85 paise. Then D, 260 rupees 24 paise. 260 rupees 24 paise. Or we can write like this: 260 rupees 24 paise. Next topic, conversion of rupees into paise. For converting rupees into paise, multiply the rupees by 100. Once again, for converting rupees into paise, we have to multiply the rupees by 100. So consider some example. We have to convert rupees 2 into paise. So what we have to do? Yes, rupees 2 equal to 2 into 100. That is equal to 200 paise. Rupees 2 equal to 200 paise. Then rupees 9. You have to convert rupees 9 into paise. That is 9 into 100 equal to 900 paise. Then you have to convert rupees 20 into paise. For that, 20 into 100, that is equal to 2000 paise. That is rupees 20 equal to 2000 paise. Children, consider this question. Convert rupees 375 paisa into paisa. We have to convert this into paisa. For that, first one, rupees 375 paisa can be written as like this: rupees 3 plus 75 paisa. Then this rupees 3 can be converted into paisa by multiplying by 100. So that means rupees 3 equal to 300 paisa plus 75 paisa. And when we add this, we will get 375 paisa. That is 3 rupees 75 paisa equal to 375 paisa. Clear? Then second one, convert 7 rupees 80 paisa into paisa. So first, rupees 780 paisa equal to rupees 7 plus 80 paisa. Then rupees 7 can be converted into paisa by multiplying 100. That is 7 into 100, 700 paisa plus 80 paisa. Then we have to add, that is 780 paisa. That is 7 rupees 80 paisa equal to 780 paisa. Next question, convert 3 rupees 25 paise into paisa. So first one, rupees 3 25 paisa can be written as rupees 3 plus 25 paise. Then 3 rupees can be converted to paisa by multiplying by 100. That is 3 into 100, 300 paise plus 25 paisa. And when we add, that is 325 paisa. That is 3 rupees 25 paisa equal to 325 paisa. Today's last topic, that is conversion of paisa into rupees. For converting paisa into rupees, we have to divide paisa by 100. For converting paisa into rupees, we have to divide the paisa by 100. Consider one example, that is 500 paisa. We have to convert this 500 paisa into rupees. For that, we have to divide by 100. That is 500 by 100. That is equal to rupees 5. That is 500 paisa equal to 5 rupees. Then 900 paisa. We have to convert 900 paisa into rupees. That is 900 by 100. It is equal to rupees 9. Clear? Then 1200 paisa. We have to convert 1200 paisa into rupees. That is 1200 divided by 100 is equal to rupees 12. Then look at this question. Convert 240 paisa into rupees and convert 850 paisa into rupees. So first one answer. 240 paisa can be written as 200 paisa plus 40 paisa. Then we have to convert into rupees. So 200 paisa can be converted into rupees by dividing 100. That is 200 divided by 100 we will get rupees 2 plus 40 paisa. The last step, rupees 2. Instead of plus, we have to put one dot and 40 paisa. That is 240 paisa equal to rupees 240 paisa. Clear? Then, second question, we have to convert 850 paisa into rupees. That is 850 paisa can be written as 800 paisa plus 50 paisa. And we have to convert this 800 paisa into rupees by dividing by 100. That is 800 divided by 100 we have 8. That is rupees 8 plus 50 paisa. Then next step rupees 8 and instead of this plus we have to put one dot and 50 paisa. That is 850 paisa equal to rupees 850 paisa. Third question, convert 130 paisa into rupees. That is 130 paisa can be written as 100 paisa plus 30 paisa. You know that 100 paisa equal to 1 rupee. That is rupees 1 plus 30 paisa. This can be written as rupees 1 then 1 dot then 30 paisa. That is 130 paisa equal to 1 rupees 30 paisa. Dear children, I hope you understood today's class. Thank you.